Welcome to the video. This is Marvin from Novapool, and in this video, I will show you how to connect your Ledger hardware wallet with Typhon. Before you can connect your Ledger to the Typhon Lite wallet, you need to install the Cardano app on your Ledger. You can do this in the device manager via the Ledger Live application. Connect your Ledger to the computer and unlock it with your 8-digit PIN. Confirm the process on the stick by pressing both buttons at the same time, so that the device manager of the Ledger Live application can access it. As you can see, there is no app installed on the Ledger Nano S yet. Select the Cardano app in the app catalog and click Install. The app is now fully installed and is also displayed under Installed Apps. I am now switching to the Typhon Lite Wallet browser extension. Typhon is not limited to just one wallet. You can add and manage many different wallets here. Click on the name of your wallet in the upper right-hand corner, and then on Add New. In this video, I'm connecting a Ledger Nano S. Now, press the button Connect with Ledger. Here, you can again decide on the type of the wallet. I am choosing the standard HD wallet. A pop-up window will open, asking you to connect your Ledger. Connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer and open the Cardano app. Then click on Connect. Follow the instructions on your device and confirm the connection. Now choose a name for your wallet and create a secure spending password right after. You will need this to log into your wallet. Please keep in mind that you will have to confirm all transactions with your Ledger device. Then accept the terms and conditions and continue. Your Ledger is now connected to the Typhon wallet. And that's it for this video. If you don't want to miss any of our new videos in the future, subscribe to our YouTube channel and activate that bell icon. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has added value to you and you would like to stake too, feel free to come on board. Follow us on Twitter for the latest news about Cardano and our pool. If you have any questions, feel free to check out our multi-language Telegram group. See you in the next epoch.